I'm going to show you how incredibly simple it is to make a video of how to pronounce a word. So if you Google how to pronounce and then any word, it is likely that the first result is going to be this little Google app that shows you how to pronounce words. Also, other results are going to be videos of how to pronounce a word. When I first started doing this, I would search for a video and just insert the video, but I have found this method to be faster. So before you record, you want to set up your Screencastify this way. Turn off the microphone, but turn on the system audio. That way you won't have feedback. And then, so you hit record, which I'm not going to do right now because it's already running. So I'm going to do this a few times without talking, and then at the end, you'll see me save it.
Technology. 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 Technology.
Okay, and then you click on Screencastify at the end, and you stop, but I'm not going to actually do that because I'm going to take you over here and show a screenshot. When you hit stop, you click here, and then you can literally just publish it to YouTube. So now I have this video. I'm just going to publish YouTube. It says Michelle Austin, private only you can do. I don't want that. If I'm using it in Kahoot, I need to make it public. But if I'm going to put it in a Google slide or a Google form, I can make it unlisted. So I'm going to make it public. I'm going to call it how to pronounce technology. Then I'm to upload it. So for something as simple as this, I don't even view it on YouTube. I just copy the link. And then you can paste that into a Kahoot.